Buckle up for a revolution in city car driving. Here, we're taking a look at the top 15 Mini EVs that are taking over the roads, intricately designed, highly efficient, and boasting immense force. Ranging from stylish urban vehicles to revolutionary compact cars, these electric cars are taking the world by storm in the best possible manner. Number 1. Nimbus EV1. The Nimbus EV1 is a modern, futuristic, three-wheeled electric motorcycle that combines the handling and responsiveness of a motorcycle with the comfort of a car. Boasting a two-wheel front end and a single rear wheel, the Nimbus EV1 utilizes a tilting suspension system that actually leans into turns to enhance agility and ease of maneuvering. Propelled by a removable 9 kWh battery pack that can go up to 93 miles on a single charge, and sporting a quick launch from 0 to 30 miles per hour in less than 3 seconds with a top speed of 50 miles per hour, this compact beauty can be easily parked in heavily trafficked areas of the city. The Nimbus EV1 also comes equipped with a fully enclosed cabin that ensures protection against the elements and comes equipped with seat belts and can also be equipped with AC. The Nimbus EV1 sports a 1+1 seating arrangement that allows a small rear bench that can be utilized for short journeys or carrying cargo. Number 2. Buggy and Open Sky. The Tazzari EV technology. Buggy and Open Sky is an ultra-light, high-performance electric vehicle created for fun and functionality. Its aluminum load-bearing frame, combined with a steel protective passenger cell, makes it safe, while a tempered glass 7-inch touch dashboard provides control with modernity. Its 3 main driving modes include Eco, Drive, and Sport, besides offering keyless access. It has 4-disc electro-powered brakes with energy recovery, and ABS can be available for more protection. The capacity of the rear storage area in this vehicle is from 640 to 750 liters when the seats are folded. It can be charged using a common outlet. Its fast charge from 0 to 80% takes less than an hour. It offers unlimited personalization, personal colors, finishes, and accessories. Number 3. CT City Transformer CT2. The City Transformer CT2 is an innovative urban mobility electric microcar that features a variable width chassis that changes while on the move. This gets reduced to 1 meter in city mode, where traffic can be navigated without hassle, and parking is possible in small spots, while it runs with ease at a top speed of 40 km/h, 25 miles per hour. Its expansion to 1.3 meters in performance mode ensures greater stability at speeds of up to 90 km/h, 56 miles per hour. Measuring 2.5 meters long and 1.6 meters high, the CT2 is seated in a 2-seat tandem configuration, and its cargo capacity measures 450 liters, with a commercial version supposedly in the making. A 15 kWh lithium battery powers it for 120 to 180 km of range, recharging in 4.5 hours on a standard outlet. Steel and aluminum in construction ensure safety and comfort, along with disc brakes, AC, and ADAS features. Number 4. Masimo Electric NeoDrive. The Masimo Electric NeoDrive is an advanced range of electric utility trucks for commercial and industrial applications. It has an electric 72-volt 20 kilowatt, 27 horsepower motor, and Life PO4 lithium battery, offering 100 miles of range and 25 miles per hour speeds. The NeoDrive has the ability to handle 1,100 pounds and has 108 cubic feet storage volume in the e-cart box variant. The Masimo Electric NeoDrive has all the comfort and safety features, including heated and AC climate-controlled cab, touchscreen infotainment, rear-view camera, Bluetooth stereo, and complete LED lighting. The Masimo Electric NeoDrive measures 145 by 58 by 81 inches and deploys more than 5 inches of ground clearance, ideal for resort, factory, and large-scale property applications for all-weather functionality and easy charging from any 110-volt outlets. Number 5. Zeromax Kubo. The Tazzari EV technology. Zeromax Kubo is an ultra-compact L7 ECU quadricycle with a load body designed for efficient urban goods transport. Equipped with an 11.5 kilowatt motor with a peak of 15 kilowatt, it reaches a top speed of 65 km/h. Depending on the lithium LFP battery choice, Kubo's autonomy achieves 99, 212, or 312 kilometers, while up to 3,000 charging cycles are realizable. Charging will be versatile thanks to the onboard 230-volt, 2 kilowatt charger, able to take it from 0 to 80% in less than an hour. Its 120 centimeter wide guarantee unparalleled maneuverability through tight city streets, while the aluminum chassis of the safety cell will protect the occupants. Modern electronics include keyless entry, electric heating, a 7-inch monitor within the dashboard, and regenerative braking. There are 2 driving modes, Eco and Sport, while the batteries are customizable to make the Kubo an expedient, safe, and sustainable option for urban logistics. Number 6. Dickintowns Micro Dot Hybrid. The Dickintowns Micro Dot Hybrid is a far-reaching 3-seat city car concept shown at the 1976 London Motor Show and perfected for urban efficiency. Designed by William Towns, known for the Aston Martin DBS and Lagonda, it boasted a hybrid powertrain of a 400 cubic centimeter petrol engine-powered generator, lead-acid batteries, and an electric motor. Its peculiar central driving position gave the driver excellent views, accompanied by 2 passenger seats on either side. The Microdot used a wedge-shaped design with large areas of glass that allowed panoramic visions and came with a wheeled luggage trolley that was removable and doubled as the boot of the car. Meant to be an economic electric-assisted city car for trips of short length, it was an early precursor to hybrids today. Number 7. GM Heritage Center XP512E. The GM Heritage Center XP512E is an experimental 2-seat electric city car conceived by General Motors. It has been powered by an 84-volt lead-acid battery and DC series Delco Remy motor with solid-state controls, allowing it to attain a top speed of 30 miles per hour, 48 kilometers per hour, and a range of 58 miles, 93 kilometers, at 25 miles per hour. It has been constructed from fiberglass over a steel frame, which has been reinforced by a steel cage-type roll bar weighing 1,250 pounds, 567 kilograms. The interior has been provided for 2 people, utilizing standard controls, together with accessories driven by a 12-volt battery. It is currently found at the GM Heritage Center, although it has never entered mass production. Number 8. Carver Electric. The Carver Electric, Carver Europe BV company, develops Dutch innovations consisting of small 3-wheelers that use electricity as their power source. The most interesting part of their designs is the Dynamic Vehicle Control DVC technology that enables the closed vehicle to tilt to one side, as the motorcycle does during cornering maneuvers. This makes it possible to combine the benefits of having the agility of the motorcycle with the safety and protection of the closed car body. These vehicles remain narrow and average about 98 centimeters across and will carry the rider and 1 passenger. The S Plus model goes no faster than 80 kilometers per hour. They fall under the categories of scooters or tricycles and need no more than the ordinary driving or motorcycle license to operate. The product by Carver Electric presents an effective and eco-friendly means of fulfilling the demands of such transport within the urban setting. Number 9. Candy Mini Cart. The Candy Mini Cart is a special 2-seater electric golf cart that is meant to provide mobility, comfort, and safety. It produces a speed of 9 miles per hour at a distance of up to 25 miles, using a noise-free 1000 watts AC motor paired with a 48-volt 38 ampere-hour Life PO4 battery. It has a patented collapsing system where its length can reduce from 95.8 inches to 66 inches, making it convenient to carry on SUVs or pickup trucks with enough ability to tow a load. The special features include a double A-arm suspension system, hydraulic disc brakes, and a height of 6 inches, providing extreme comfort while performing complex terrains. It also contains safety features, consisting of headlights, rear lights, seat belts, horns, and reflectors. It weighs around 265 pounds, with a weight capacity of 396 pounds, making it ideal for compact, eco-friendly, eco-smart transport. Number 10. Mitsubishi EKX EV. The Mitsubishi EKX EV is a fashionable K-car model in a crossover style and compact design combined with all the modern trends and attributes. The electric powertrain provides a maximum power of 47 kilowatt, 63 horsepower, and a maximum torque of 195 Newton-meter at a high speed of 130 km/h. The model has a powerful 20 kilowatt-hour lithium-ion battery and a driving range of up to 180 km, according to the WLTC cycle, and charges in 8 hours or 40 minutes quicker, charging up to 80% at a fast charging station. The model also has a seating capacity of 4 and accommodates foldable and versatile rear seats, along with the underfloor storage space and enhanced technologies like MI Pilot Parking Assist System and Mitsubishi Connect System. Number 11. Nissan Sakura. The Nissan Sakura is a charming and practical battery electric K-car designed for city living. Drive it with a 64 horsepower motor with automatic transmission that will take it to a top speed of 130 km/h, maneuvering well in an urban commute. Its 20 kilowatt-hour battery enables up to approximately 180 kilometers, 112 miles, per charge. Inside, the Sakura will seat 4 passengers comfortably and boasts distinctive, cute styling, often featuring appealing two-tone color options reminiscent of the IMK concept it's based on. It measures less than 3.4 meters long, meaning parking and maneuverability in tight city streets will be no problem at all. With a green powertrain and equally fashionable design, the 2022 Nissan Sakura wraps practicality, efficiency, and character up in one small electric bundle. Number 12. Suspension EV. The Indigo Technologies. Suspension EV marks the beginning of a revolutionary new era in the design of electric vehicles, one that prioritizes range, comfort, and flexibility for the modern gig economy. The core of the technology lies in the company's use of the smart wheel, which can be described as a robotic wheel, where propulsion and active suspension combine in one easy-to-install, modular component. The electric active suspension system built into each wheel adjusts to the road conditions it encounters at the time, and the dual-stator direct drive motors do away entirely with the driveline that typically separates the passenger compartment from the power system, so there's more room for passengers. The company, which produces the Flow Ride for ride-sharing, the Flow Cargo for courier services, and the Dash for the final mile of the trip for others, has received investment support from the likes of Foxconn and FedEx. The suspension EV has been bolstered by the inclusion of the autonomous technology provided by the company Cleveland, and provides a smooth, magic carpet ride that translates to great performance. Number 13. Matrix EVH Nexa. The Matrix EVH Nexa has an adjustable and foldable design as an enclosed electric mobility scooter that serves as a city car. This vehicle utilizes an electric motor that has the power of either 2,200 watts or 3,000 watts with the capacity to attain speeds of up to 30 km/h, 18.6 miles per hour, with the top speed of the vehicle. The Nexa has lead-acid batteries of 60-volt/72 volt capacity or lithium batteries of 72 volt with the ability to run up to long ranges of 80 to 85 km, 50 miles, with the whole battery charging process requiring about 6 to 8 hours. The vehicle boasts of having doors and seating capacity of up to 2 with 3 seats based on the model. It entails amenities such as power windows and locks, heater, air conditioner, 10.1-inch touchscreen with Bluetooth connectivity, backup camera, as well as LED lights. Number 14. Ecolo Connect. The Ride the Wind ebikes. Ecolo Connect is a fully enclosed 4-wheel electric mobility scooter that is optimized for comfort, convenience, and speed. Equipped with a 2,000-watt high-torque motor, the scooter attains a speed of up to 30 km/h, while the 60-volt 100-ampere-hour SLA battery gives the scooter a mileage of up to 100 kilometers. The scooter supports a payload of up to 300 kilograms, 660 pounds, to easily haul both passengers and cargo. The Ecolo Connect comes equipped with luxury options such as keyless start, electric power windows, a 7-inch screen, cabin heating of up to 800 watts, seats that can be adjusted, a windshield wiper, a rear view camera, and a Bluetooth MP3 player. Its upgraded sizes optimize the interior to be more spacious and a great fashionable, eco-friendly ride. Number 15. Radii Propulsion. The Radii Propulsion Sea Fury 4.5M Tender features state-of-the-art foil-supported electro-propulsion aimed at maximizing performance and efficiency. It boasts the RAD40 electro-propulsion drive system with an impressive 40 kilowatt continuous power rating and support for fast charging with the 400-volt system. The drive system allows for high-speed performance above 30 knots thanks to the energy-advantaged RAD 21 kilowatt-hour battery pack. Its drive-by-wire control system features enhanced steering capabilities with an impressive range of plus or minus 90 degrees steering and 180 degrees maneuvering with continuous control. Compact and narrow, with an impressively low height profile, the Sea Fury Tender, or workboat design showcases immaculate levels of little to no maintenance demand, with unrivaled onboard purity and an incredibly quiet operating platform suited for sustainable high-speed marine environments. Thanks for watching our top 15 Mini EVs taking over the streets countdown. These Mini EVs show us that sometimes the best things in life come in small packages. Efficiency, design, or ingeniousness Mini EVs are the future of city transport. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications.